How to redeem Palmon Survival gift code. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily redeem your codes in Palmon Survival. So first of all, launch open the Palmon Survival game on your device, and once you're inside this game homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now from the Explorer info page, go to the bottom and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, select Gift Code. If you've got a gift code, go ahead and type in your gift code exactly as shown. Make sure to type in the capital letters exactly as it is. And after you do that, click on Confirm in blue. Make sure to use your codes before they expire. After tapping on Confirm, if the code is valid, rewards will be sent to your account or mailbox. So that is how you can redeem gift codes and get free rewards in Palmon Survival. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.